Whoosh! Oh, well, hello there. Welcome to Amber Arden TV, and today I'm going to tell you all the Super Smash Ultimate Fighters names by memory. Boom, ch, boom, boom, ch, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch.
Amber, you ready?
Sure.
Amber, what do you think about video games?
Video games? Oh,
Video games.
wait. Am I Snow or Amber?
You're Amber.
Okay, I'm Amber and Snow. I forgot.
Do you like video games?
I do.
What are your favorite games?
I love Speed Saber from Oculus Rift. I love Super Smash Brothers. I love My Pet Story. Mainly anything that's active, like physical, like Oculus Rift VR games.
Do you know what one of the most popular games that just came out recently is?
I don't know.
Super Smash Brothers.
Super Smash Brothers! I just guessed that. Wow, what a coincidence.
So one of the crazy things about the new Smash Brothers game is
What?
there are 1 billion characters in it.
1 billion?
Approximately.
1 billion? That's a lot. That's a lot of characters.
Do you think you know all the characters?
I know quite a few Disney characters, as you can see.
There are 0 Disney characters
What?
in Super Smash Brothers.
What?
So we're gonna have
Hey!
we're gonna have you name all the Smash Brothers characters.
You'll be surprised. I used to love Super Smash Brothers, and I
what-
used to play it all the time. I played it, I beat the glove, and the glove came at me as Pikachu, and I just went, Pikachu! Over and over and over and over, and killed that glove, and it was dead.
What was the glove's name?
Glover.
Danny Glover?
Danny Glover.
Donald
Glove! It was the glove. It was the big glove. It was the big hand. The master hand.
There you go.
It was the
That's
master
one
hand.
right.
Ding,
Okay,
ding,
so we're
ding!
gonna-
Amber's right!
So we're gonna go through the whole roster.
Oh my god, I'm
Basically-
excited.
basically-
You'll be surprised, I know a lot of these. Mario! I'm a plumber. I love to plumb. Wah-wah! Luigi, I'm the brother nobody cares about. Mrs. Peach, oh Peach, oh yes, I have a crown and I have blonde hair and I'm so cute and I look like a cupcake. That's Belle. That is Princess Belle. That's Bowser. Bowser! Bowser! Am I right? Am I right? Yoshi! I like eggs, I poop eggs, I eat eggs, I freaking make eggs for breakfast. And that's Princess Peach's cousin! I don't know who that is. That's Yoshi's cousin / Bowser. Blue, Yoshauser. Yoshauser! That's Yoshauser. That's like, please guys tell me his name. I wanna know. What is his name? He's the scary one. Wario! Is it Wario? I don't know, I'm sorry guys, that's Luigi. Wario, I'm really angry Mario. Donkey Kong! Donkey Kong. Dooba dooba doo. Throw coconuts in your face. That's Diddy Kong! Diddy Kong! Phew. He's like a spider monkey. He's the evil alligator from Donkey Kong. King Alligator Man. That's Inkman. He looks like Elvis Presley. He looks like John Travolta. Link! He has a sword and he's awesome. He's from the Lord of the Rings. No, I'm just kidding. That is Link's girlfriend, Star. That's her name. He looks kind of like Team Rocket. He's Jesse from Team Rocket.
That's right!
Oh, that guy, he's very famous. He's from World of Warcraft. Mr. Warcraft Eyebrows, that's his name. Chibi version of Link, because he's cool. Samus is a really awesome woman in armor. I absolutely adore her.
From what game?
What game? She's from Samus. I know her. Wait, guys, I'm sorry. She's a Samus. That's Samus's inside of Samus' armor. That is Dark Samus. The alter enemy of Samus. Alien! From the movie Alien.
Actually, you're pretty close. I mean, it's not, but it was inspired by
Really?
by Alien.
Oh, that's that star of Kingdom of Hearts. That is the Kingdom of Hearts' brother, and he is his dark side version of him. That one is a very beautiful, I don't know, but she's the kawaii girl. I love them. They're kind of like little twins. The twins, that's what I'll call them. Well, short circuit. Wow! That's what he said. Wow! That actually looks like a speed racer. Speed racer. Vroom, 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 vroom. He is a magician. He's the magician. He's so cool because he looks like one. Or the Beatles. He has a bowl cut. Or is that a girl? I don't know. Name is Starlet. Starlet. That's a amazing man. He's so amazing. That's Chad. He's his friend that hangs with him. That is Princess Peach, dark Princess Peach. That looks like same hair color. A haircut. That is a dark Princess Peach because of the hair. That's from Final Fantasy. That one is Saber. Is that Fantastic Man? That is the Majestic Man. That is that man who's Benedict Cumberbatch. That one's Goofy's cousin, Moofy. Kirby, I am a giant gumball, and I'm cute, and everybody loves me.
Kirby for me is one of the most underwhelming characters.
I am Duckaroo. That's his name. That kind of looks like Execute's cousin, Cloyster. He's a Pokemon. Star Fox. Star Fox. Boo boo. He's from he's from space. That is the American bald eagle. He is the amazing mascot of America. That is, oh my gosh, that's Star Fox's arch enemy, Mean Fox. Pikachu, Pikachu. Oh my gosh, that's a Raichu. No, that's not Raichu. That's Shockchu. 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 That looks like a evil Pokemon. He's a dark Pokemon. His name's Blue. Jigglypuff, 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 Jigglypuff. Oh, well, I'm just a Pokemon, and I am from the 700 generation. That's Mewtwo. Not Mew 1, not Mew 3, Mew 2. Evil Dragon Man has a fish belt. Fish belt. His name's Fish Belt Man. His name is Ash Ketchum. That's Fix-It Felix. He fixes everything. He is Bilbo Baggins. That one is Harry Potter. Harry Potter, and he does magic. Oh, that's Cute Dog. I'm a cute dog and I have a sweater. Tweedledee and Tweedledum from Alice in Wonderland, both of them. Yes, they are. That's Silver Surfer. He likes to surf on the silver. That is Prince Charming. So Prince Florian is Snow White's. Miva, not Diva, but Miva, the sister. Final Fantasy chick.
Who is it?
Gem. What's your name? My name is Final Fantasy Dude, and I'm dating Gem. Oh, he's so cool. I love him. He's from Mortal Kombat. Street Fighter. Street Fighter.
Yeah.
The thing is, I know Chun-Li's the girl, and he's pretty inspired by Bruce Lee. I really know him, and he's really cool. Street Fighter, and he rocks. Taking names and he's a black belt.
Okay.
Black belt. Yeah. Mr. Pac-Man! Boop, Pac-Man, boop, 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 boop. Eating fruit. Ow, 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 ow. He is the boy. He is Superboy. I know him. If you just give me a little word. No, I have to remember. I know him. Snake. Snake. Crab battle. Crab battle. Crab battle. Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic, boom, 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 running really fast. Thor, from Thor. He is Thor. Sorry, guys. His name's Bandana Man, running through the plains and taking names. That is Hermione, Harry Potter, and Weasley. They're gonna take you down with magic. But Super Smash Brothers. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and in the comments down below, tell me what your favorite Super Smash character is. Actually, mine was always Pikachu. Pikachu! Woo! Whoopsh, whoopsh, whoopsh. Boom, ch, boom, boom, ch, boom, ch, boom, ch.